Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, September the 3rd, 2022. It's weekend and two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. The other puzzles in this additional I will do this tomorrow, because tomorrow we have no newspaper, and I will do those tomorrow, the other three. Yes, but first the binary puzzle number. This will be number 5119. Before I start, I always count the boxes. I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this one. Well, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two, oh no, 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 no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. Interesting. Well, between two 1s comes an O. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1. Need to sneeze 3 times. Yes. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Then. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Then I need to compare, I think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3 now. Okay, so we need to compare this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box, oh oh. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow, very quick to solve. One time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.